with me on a cooking journey called Throw a Bunch of Shit in a Pot and Hope It Tastes Good. Citrusy garlic spices slap. Pepper. Salt. I cannot stress enough how much I don't know what I'm doing, and I never measure anything. Garlic. Green peppies. It looks okay. Steamy. Tomatoes and probably a bucket of kale. I love stabbing. More season, please. Chunk of butter to make it keto. Okay, looking sexier by the minute. Still tasted bland as fuck, so had to dump spices in. Can't go easy on chili flakes. One more shake. Damn! And that's how you make enough food for 2 weeks with $8.